Hello everyone and welcome to my Python Basics tutorial series, and this series will teach you all the things you need to know to get started on working with Python. This series is mainly for people who don't know anything about Python at all or programming in general, but if you do know how to program, it is still good for you as a refresher or for better understanding. So today we will be learning about output in Python. So let's go on to programming. I'm going to go and open idle. It will have been installed when you installed Python and new file. This will open up a new file for you to write your code in. Okay, so then we want to do print hello world. Save it and just save it somewhere. And you go to run module, and that'll run it, and we can see we got hello world. So as you can see, this print function, it basically puts output, if we run it again, to the output window, which is this shell right here. So you have to type in print open bracket speech marks, or you can use quote marks, anything you want as your text, and close it off with speech marks and brackets. So we can try it again. This time we'll type something different, so hello there. Save it, run it. Hello world, hello there. That's all well and good. What happens if we want to write on different lines? So what we can do is we can type print and then three lots of speech marks. Hello, this is on a new line, and then 3 more speech marks and close it with brackets. Save it, run it. So we get the hello world, hello there, and then we get hello, this is on a new line. So we use 3 lots of speech marks and brackets, obviously, and there we go. Now for some challenges for you to do by yourself. So you want to make a program for outputs. I love programming in Python. Make a program for outputs. I will be the best programmer ever, but each word is on a new line. Make a program that outputs a poem, but on each new line in the poem has a new line in the output window. I will be giving the solutions to these challenges in a later video, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for the next tutorial by subscribing and hitting the bell. Also drop a like if this helped you out, it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions about Python or need some help with any errors, be sure to leave it in the comments section below. I'll be sure to help you out. Any suggestions or feedback would be greatly appreciated as well, as this is my first video. Thanks for watching.